Welcome to my Million Dollar Replicator review. Hi there, this is Roopesh from PassiveIncomeForAll.com. Thanks very much for stopping by and checking out my review. Passive Income for All is a place where you can actually learn about how to earn passive income online. In addition, I've reviewed various business opportunities and you can decide whether these opportunities are fit for you to start off or not. And today we're going to talk about the Million Dollar Replicator review. What is the Million Dollar Replicator all about? I gotta admit to you that this has got quite a catchy name. I mean, you're gonna think that once you sign up with the system, that it's going to give you $1 million. In fact, they offer a guarantee that you can earn 7 figures in 30 days. That, in my opinion, is quite a bold claim. So what is it really? Is it a scam? Is Million Dollar Replicator a scam? I've got a special treat for you today because I decided to go ahead and purchase a product myself. And I'd like to share my opinion with you on this product so it can help make your decision easier on whether or not to purchase the product. So let's get straight into it. Let me just click on my review on my site. Okay, so here we are. Million Dollar Replicator. The founder is Michael Sachs, and the price on the product is $17, but there is quite a bit of upsells, but I'll get more into detail later on. This is what I gave a rating, and you'll see why later on. So what is the Million Dollar Replicator all about? All right. There's a part in the sales video where they tell you that they're gonna show you exactly how the Million Dollar Replicator system works. And this is when I actually got kind of excited because I said normally when you watch these type of sales videos, they usually work on your emotions or they tell you some sales stories and they throw flashy bank accounts into your faces, but they don't really get into the nitty-gritty of what the program is all about. So I thought maybe there is some hope here. However, I was proven wrong because it turns out that the video does not reveal much at all. All they tell you is that the founder, Michael Sachs, where there is no picture of him, by the way, teams up with some programmers to find out lucrative opportunities or to source out lucrative opportunities from the world. And then he bundles into done for you system, which he dubs as the Million Dollar Replicator. And bottom line is you have to guess what it is all about. So if you really want to know what is going on, you have no choice but to sign up, which is what I done. So let me take you into the members area. All right, let me first show you some proof that I did in fact purchase the product. This is my receipt from ClickBank. Million Dollar Replicator is a ClickBank product. So now once you buy the product, you're going to be under the impression that it's a system that seeks out guaranteed profit and replicates these profits for you. And the truth is it really a push button or done for you system? When you get into the members area, you'll find it's nothing like that at all. There is no state-of-the-art or space-age miracle money-making system in the members area. What you do get, however, when you do sign up, video tutorials. So here's a snippet of what the members area looks like. As you can see, it's supposed to be broken down into a 8-week video tutorial based course, and it teaches you about a business model called affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is a legit business model where you sell someone else's product on their behalf, and you earn commissions. So for instance, let's say you build a website on a particular niche or topic, and then you team up with an affiliate merchant like Amazon, for instance. So when somebody visits your website and they find that your product review has really helped them, then they would click on the affiliate link that you will have embedded on your website. This link would take them to Amazon where they would complete the transaction, and upon a successful sale, you would get a commission by Amazon. As I said, it's a legit business model. I've been using it for 3 years now, and you can read more about it on my site at PassiveIncomeForAll.com. But now coming back to the Million Dollar Replicator, as I said now, it's not a push button system that's going to rake you affiliate commissions within a lightning fast time. And this is a first disappointing part about the $1 Million Replicator. So what is it really then about? Well, as I said, it is about affiliate marketing, but what you're really going to do here is you're going to be promoting ClickBank products. So in other words, you're going to be an affiliate merchant for ClickBank. ClickBank is a marketplace where they sell digital products and books and so forth. Now here are two potential pitfalls that I discovered with the program. The first potential pitfall with the scores I found is that it's not designed to be beginner friendly. Let me take a part about the course where they talk about going and researching a niche on the ClickBank marketplace. They mention making use of a keyword tool, the Alexa and the Google keyword tool. The problem here is that they tell you, but they don't go into showing exactly how to do this. So you're really not going to see what it is that you have to do. You're going to have to just read the words. And I believe one learns by rather somebody showing them rather than telling them. So if you look at this from a point of view of the beginner, it will be probably very confusing and overwhelming. And I also felt that they spend very little time on these essential topics. I mean, these are solid topics. These are topics to build that must actually be understood to build a solid online foundation. And they don't really spend much time here. So bottom line, I think that they need more time, more showing, and more support, all of which is devoid within the entire course. The second pitfall is that there's no direction in these the overall syllabus of the course. There's a lot of videos, but they're jumping from one topic to the other. For instance, they talk about PowerPoint, sales presentation, then they talk about using a Camtasia to create videos and designing banners on Canva, then outsourcing your work, then going on to email marketing. Once again, from the point of view of the beginner, it's going to be kind of crazy and you're not going to know where to really start. And then there's one crucial topic that's, for some strange reason, they never even bother touching, and that's about traffic. We all know you can have the best site in the world, but what's the point if you don't know how to actually get your site exposed to the people out there? So how on earth are you going to make $1 million or even $1, as they so claim, if they're not even teaching you how to promote your business? Now there are a few testimonials on this video, and I'd like to talk about that next because they say that this is the proof that $1 Million Replicator works. Let me show you. Can you really make money with the $1 Million Replicator? They say that the proof is in the pudding. So what is the proof that they give you in a sales video? Well, in the sales video, there's a guy, took a screenshot of him. This is a gentleman, and he claims that the $1 Million Replicator made him 1.2 million in just over a year of having used the system. So can you really believe it? And my answer to you is no, you cannot believe it. And here's my reason why. Because it's a fake testimonial. This guy is actually an actor, and he renders his service on the Fiverr platform. If you don't know what Fiverr is, it's a platform where people can hire some other people for the services, and you pay from $5 upwards for the services that you want. And here's the proof to show you his audition profile on Fiverr. So in fact, this guy is quite popular. I've reviewed various other ClickBank products, and I found him present on the Voice Cash Pro, 30-Day Success Club, and Kindle Sniper. So you're more than welcome to check those out as well. So the bottom line is that there's no proof that you can really make money with the system. So what about the upsells? Earlier on, I mentioned to you there were a couple of upsells. So let's pretend that we knew nothing about these fake testimonials. Then the upsells is another red flag because, I mean, if they say initially that the $1 Million Replicator gives you everything, then what's the need for an upsell? I mean, if you're going to make $1 million with the $1 Million Replicator, there's no need to actually 1,000 times your earnings because, I mean, $1 million is a lot of money, right? So this is something that doesn't make quite sense to me. But anyway, this upsell is around $197. So it makes you question who is really getting rich here, right? So is the $1 million replicator scam? So let's end off with my personal opinion. Is the $1 million replicator a scam? Okay, I personally believe that the course is all jumbled up. So they offering you bits of pieces here and there. As you can see, the videos are about one topic to the next, and they don't have a concrete direction or where to go. And furthermore, I don't think it's going to help you make $1 million. They skip out on crucial stuff like traffic methods, and they don't teach you also on how to build a website using SEO, white hat techniques. And this is crucial, I believe, if you want to start an affiliate marketing business, because this allows you to tap into the free traffic, the quality free traffic. And there's about 3 billion people that's searching Google every day. And with SEO, you are able to tap into this market. And this is what you tend to lose out if you decide to go for the $1 million replicator. Secondly, they also only focus on ClickBank products. Now, in my opinion, not all ClickBank products are bad, but not all of them are great as well. So you're also limited into choosing only a particular niche and certain products. I think there should be more flexibility when you want to build your own affiliate marketing business. And lastly, as I've showed you, that there is no concrete proof that one can actually make money. I personally would not recommend the $1 million replicator. However, if you want to check it out, you can go ahead. There is a money back guarantees. These are ClickBank products, so it's not like you're going to lose out on your money. So where to from here? Okay, so I'm going to close off by telling you that when I started 3 years ago, I knew nothing about online business or affiliate marketing for that matter. You can imagine as a pharmacist, it was all foreign territory to me. However, thanks to an awesome teaching platform, I was able to really get myself started, and I found that I had all the step-by-step lessons, I had top-notch training, but most importantly, I had a really one-of-a-kind interactive community to help me every step of the way. And I'd like to share this review of this teaching platform with you. And if you would like to learn more about it, and if you are interested in wanting to start affiliate marketing with really building a solid foundation and wanting to learn how to make a passive income online, then please click on the link in the description video, and I will be happy to tell you more about this amazing teaching course. Okay, so with that, thanks very much for joining me on this review. Thank you very much for your time as well. Please, if you found this review to be helpful, please like this video and feel free to subscribe to my channel for latest reviews and upcoming news on money making methods. Thank you, and have a great day. Goodbye.